Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this projector for viewing purposes, and I think it's nice because it has this base so you can rotate it 108 degrees however you like it. It has a 90 HD 180p picture, and it uses dual band Wi-Fi 6, okay, which I think is excellent. So let's open it up. The main unit comes protected with these foams parts, which I think it's excellent. As you can see, you can rotate it 180 degrees, which I think it's really nice. In here we have a protective film that we want to take off and the adjustments of the focus in this part, okay, which I think it's excellent. In the back side we have the power cord port, an HDMI port, a 3mm jack audio if you want to connect some headphones, or a USB port, and obviously the power on button, which I think is nice. As you can see, it's really small, really compact, which I think it's excellent. In this little box we have a HDMI cable, the instruction guide, okay, on how to set it up, all the functions, which I think it's great, the proper remote controller, and the power cord, okay. So let's go ahead and connect it. I'm gonna test it out in here and let's see how it works, okay. Come on. Okay, I have it already set it up. I'm gonna place it right here, and I have the controller already placed two AAA batteries. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light. It has some really crisp colors, which I think it's really nice. We can see different applications in the main menu like Netflix, YouTube. We have the Google Play Store, and we can select to connect it to an HDMI device, which I think it's really nice. We can search for the files that we have in our internal storage like USB or anything that we connect with the USB port, which I think it's nice. In the settings, we have the network, the Bluetooth, the language, the date and time, the audio settings, the projection, which I think it's nice because you can adjust the zoom if you want it less, zoom in or zoom out, the switching the projection mode depending of where we are going to place it, which I think it's excellent, okay, if we're going to place it in the ceiling, in the table like this or anything, or the keystone correction, okay. It's already set it up so it automatically corrects, which I think it's great. It looks really nice. The colors look really crisp and really amazing. They have a nice brightness, which I think that it's excellent, and we can adjust the volume however we want. I think it's really great, okay. And overall, I like it a lot. I think it's perfect for wherever you want to place it, facing towards the wall if you want to have a screen so you can project from the backside, or however you like it. I think it's really nice, and it will do an amazing work wherever you need it. And overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.